Is hair loss making you want to tear your hair out? Trust me, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with thinning hair, searching for solutions that actually work. In our last video, we explored a surprising possibility. Onion juice for hair growth. But here's the thing, you emailed me with tons of questions. Does it really work? How long does it take? And is it worth the time and interesting smell? Don't worry, warriors, I've got the answers. In this video, we're diving deep into the science behind onion juice. We'll explore research, benefits, and even potential drawbacks. By the end, you'll know if onion juice is the key to unlocking your hair growth goals. Let's get started. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology looked specifically at onion juice and the type of hair loss called alopecia areata. This is an autoimmune disease that causes patchy hair loss. The study gets interesting here. The researchers compared onion juice to just plain water applied to the scalp twice a day for 8 weeks. After that time, guess what? The onion juice group saw a significant increase in hair growth compared to the water group whose hair just remained flat. In fact, nearly 87% of the participants using onion juice experienced some hair regrowth. That's a pretty impressive number. Now, it's important to remember this was a small study and more research is needed to definitely say onion juice is a magic bullet for hair loss. However, the science behind the potential benefits is fascinating. Onions are high in sulfur, a mineral that contributes to creatine production. Creatine is a key protein that makes up hair strands. Onions also have anti-inflammatory properties which can promote a healthy scalp environment for hair growth. Speaking of healthy scalps, my daughter just asked, why did the scaredy cat get kicked out of school? Because he was always chicken. Okay, back to hair science. While the research on onion juice is promising, it's important to consult a dermatologist if you have any scalp concerns or if you're experiencing severe hair loss. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution for hair growth. But hey, exploring these scientific possibilities can be fun. If you've tried onion juice, share your experiences in the comments below. The YouTube algorithm loves channels that keep people engaged. By liking and subscribing, you help us reach more people who might be curious about the science of hair growth. We appreciate your support. We love and appreciate each and every one of you. See you next time.